I'm getting this thing out of here. Man, I hate this thing. It's deceiving because you think you're going to lose your headroom here and you have your head down and then you smash yourself into this. So I think you're going to go tonight. First I got to go get these power tools out of the pouring rain. Well, I got to say this is great that we actually accomplished this today because it was not looking good. But that was my goal, to try and get one chair out. I knew it was going to be a problem for one reason or another. But we got her out, and it is so much more maneuverable in here now. So I'm going to take that TV out now. And then I'd like to get rid of some of these beautiful little details, which are other nice head smackers and clothing rails or whatever they are. And then that railing, yeah, just things that I will never keep in my build. And then I believe this is all full waste back here. Just got the stereo, and it's probably got some who knows what in there. I can't quite imagine other than electrical. Yeah, anyway, really happy that chair is out now. When you come in the door, it's not like you're kind of squeezing in between that chair and that chair. And if I was a younger man, I'd be out there ripping that chair out too, because I don't have much need for that. But I think I'm just gonna wait for a day when it's not raining so hard. It's just pouring out there and I am soaked. But I'm taking that TV out. That's coming out now. And there's not much to it. There's not much to see. It's just a couple wires that they got jimmied in there. Power, the sound, and like there's a big crazy antenna on the front of this thing. And so that, and take that mount out, and then take this out. It's all just a bunch of screws that I won't bore you with. And hopefully this has got some sort of a quick release on it. I don't want to push anything while I got a camera in my hand, have it flying out there. But yeah, that looks like it releases right there. There's yellow things. Anyway, I'm gonna get this done. The top bracket is behind there, and the hole that they put there isn't really big enough for that size of a bit. Not normally. Got a flexi bit here, and it's too big. Yep. Dear me. Yeah, so the only screwdriver I have that will fit through here is not the right size screwdriver for that kind of a screw. So you know what I should be doing? I should be trying to flatten it, because that's not going to work. Squares? No. Can't get a screwdriver through there. So the screwdrivers that I should be using for something like that are at least this big, which is too big. I think the solution is to get this wood out. And of course he used different heads, sockets and square heads. But I think taking this out and then destroying this piece of wood and then you know, whoever buys this screen thing, if I never use it again, which is highly likely. Woohoo! Oh, we got all kinds of stuff going on in there. Cigarette lighter adapters and stuff jimmied all up. So there's piece number 1. I don't know if you can hear that rain, but it is pouring. You know what, I'm probably not going to keep any of this anyway. So there it is, I got the TV bracket out. So that's one last thing to smash my head on. That's awesome. Tilt and turn. More hardware for the TV. What else we got? Oh, sonic animal repellers. The Whistler things. Nothing else in there. So it gives me an idea of so that's wasted space there. Yeah, a lot of wasted space up here. Yeah, so if I do a good build, you can see this cabinet, they only built it to here, so there's wasted space up there. Room for a shallower cabinet, gain back some more of this head space, a little less ducking. I mean, great speakers and a smoking deal here at Long Distance Traveler Sales. Not to mention the super duper Executive 3050D tape deck with multiple speaker selections. You can even record here, which makes me wonder about things. A volume, balance, bass, treble, function, AM, FM, and tape. What a fantastic unit. On sale now at Long Distance Traveler Sales. And these Panasonic 4-inch. Somebody left a horrible mess here. Goodness me. Well, I'm soaked, cold, it's raining hard. I think I'm gonna call it a night. Hope y'all are doing okay. We'll talk to you soon.
I work so hard, got nothing to show. It's the same story for so many folks you know. Wasn't part of the original plan, but I'll be living my life in a bread van. This box on wheels is all I've got. I'll escape the system, I don't need a lot. I don't mean to sound hollow, but on the net, will you follow? And when I look across the desert sky, there's so many reasons why these desert streams become my home. Sometimes I still feel alone. So won't you please send me a note? I'd love to see just what you wrote. And if you could, please hit subscribe. Your thoughts